A warm welcome on online class of Prayag Public School. Today I am here with English language of class 2 and today I am going to teach you sentence. What? Sentence. What is sentence? Okay? What is sentence? Sentence is a group of words. Okay? Sentence is a group of words that makes a complete sense. Okay, that makes a complete sense. Sentence is a group of words that makes a complete sense. Sentence is a group of words that makes complete sense. Okay, look here. I have a game today. Okay, just look. Look here. I have a game today. Look here. What is this? These are flashcards of words. These are flashcards. Okay? Now look. What is this? Love. What is this? Beautiful. What is this? Ah. What is this? Is. What is this? Sweet. What is this? Smell. What is this? Rose. And what is this? Flower. There are many words now. There are many words. And what will we do? We will make sentence from these words. Okay? We will make sentence from these words. So then there are words. Okay? There are words. Flashcard na? There are flashcards na? And I have written words here. Okay? So there are words. ये अलग अलग वर्ड्स है ना बेटा, अलग अलग वर्ड्स है ना. मैंने आपको बताया कौन कौन से वर्ड्स हैं. नाउ लुक हियर. तो इफ आई से इज स्वीट, ओके, इज स्वीट, आ इज, दिस इज सेंटेंस. नो, sweet a is, this is sentence. No, this is not sentence. So look here. Yes, look here now. I will show you. Okay beta, I will show you. Look here. Look. Look here now. Rose. Okay. This one is rose. What? Rose is, rose is a, rose is a beautiful, okay, beautiful, and this one is flower. This one is flower. Look here. Rose is a beautiful flower. Now it is a sentence, na? Now it's look like a sentence. Rose is a beautiful flower. Rose, गुलाब, is है a एक beautiful, सुंदर. Flower means फूल. Okay? Now look here. Now wait. Now look here. Rose. Rose. Look here now. Rose smells. Okay. Rose smells sweet. Okay. Now this is sentence, na? Rose smells sweet. गुलाब सुंदर या मीठा महकता है ना. स्मेल मीन्स महकना होता है. तो रोज smells sweet. Okay? Yes. Now we have played na. We have played na. It is very funny. Yes. Now look here. Sentence. A sentence is a group of words that makes complete sense. A sentence is a group of words. Sentence क्या होता है? Words का collection होता है. Words का यानी शब्दों का क्या होता है? समूह होता है. That makes complete sense. जिसका की कोई क्या हो? जिसका कोई अर्थ हो, जिसका कोई मतलब निकले. ऐसे नहीं कि हमने अब सेंटेंस देखिए. ब्यूटीफुल फ्लावर रोज इज. हाँ, ब्यूटीफुल एक वर्ड है, फ्लावर इज अनदर वर्ड, रोज इज अनदर वर्ड एंड इज अनदर वर्ड. अब ब्यूटीफुल फ्लावर रोज इज, इसका कोई मतलब निकल रहा है? नहीं. क्यों नहीं निकल रहा है? दैट्स वाई these words are not in proper order. That's why these words are not in proper order. Beautiful flower roses. Now look here. Rose is a beautiful flower. Rose is a beautiful flower. Now next. My mother housewife is. What is my? Is a word. Mother is another word. House is another word. Wife is another word. Is another word. So my mother housewife is. That makes sense? No, there is no sense. Now I will arrange it in proper order. Look here now. My mother is a housewife. Okay, now I will put it full stop. My mother is a housewife. मेरी माँ एक हाउसवाइफ है. अब इसको हमने प्रॉपर ऑर्डर में जब अरेंज किया वर्ड्स को, तो एक अच्छा सेंटेंस, आपका सेंस वाला सेंटेंस बन गया. ओके, मैजिक. कैपिटल इंडिया दिल्ली इज ऑफ द. ओके, ये सारे अलग अलग वर्ड्स है ना, इनका कोई सेंस निकलना है. कैपिटल इंडिया दिल्ली इज ऑफ द. नाउ Delhi is the capital of India. Delhi is the capital of India. Now this is sentence na. तो बेटा what? Sentence is a group of words. Sentence क्या है? बहुत सारे शब्दों का समूह है, जिनको जब हम आपस में अरेंज करते हैं तो उसका एक क्या निकलता है? मतलब निकलता है. उसका क्या निकलता है? मतलब निकलता है. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, तो सेंटेंस इज अ ग्रुप ऑफ वर्ड्स दैट मेक्स कंप्लीट सेंस. ओके, तो देन आई विल गिव यू वर्कशीट फॉर होमवर्क. यू ऑल विल properly arrange the words in a sentence. Okay, have a good day.